As we wait for the latest numbers from LA County today, we're dealing with two new pandemic records here in California. Yesterday, the state health department reported a backlog of 237,000 new cases, pushing the statewide 7-day average to over 50,000 new cases. That tops last winter's rate. California's 20% positivity rate is also the highest it's been since the pandemic began. Although hospitalizations are increasing in LA County, so far, they are nowhere near what we saw last winter. Now, Eyewitness News reporter John Gregory is live with another growing concern. John.
Yeah, Rachel, somebody actually tested positive not just for the coronavirus, but also the flu. At the same time, it's bad news for hospitals, it's bad news for patients, and experts say we can expect to see more of it. As if the coronavirus wasn't worry enough, the flu is now becoming a factor to consider. And at least one patient here in the U.S. has now been diagnosed with both, a condition some are calling Flurona.
We had our first positive case of Flurona at our Getty Center operation just over 4 days ago. It was a family of 5 returning from Cabo San Lucas, Mexico. Symptomatic person under the age of 18 that did test positive for flu, in addition to SARS-CoV-2.
The combined illness was discovered at the Getty Center test site. The patient's a male under 18. While he's not seriously ill, experts say we can expect to see more cases like this.
The person would be infected with both viruses at the same time. So they're going to have the symptoms of both the flu and of the coronavirus. There are no new symptoms that are involved, but both of those viruses can end up with the person being admitted to the hospital or even be fatal.
Patients will struggle, and so will hospitals, already stretched by the latest coronavirus surge. Experts recommend getting your flu shot, and they're also hoping current mask rules will limit the spread of the flu.
It hugely helped last year. Let's hope it will help this year as well. The masking, again, huge.
Flurona is here, and while the symptoms are similar to the coronavirus, the complications could be much more serious for patients and the healthcare system. And that Getty Center test site is planning in the next few days to have tests that will test for coronavirus and the flu at the same time, just in case if you're not sure what you have, because the symptoms are so similar. Meanwhile, doctors again stress getting a flu shot. From Burbank, John Gregory, ABC 7 Eyewitness News. Rachel, I'll send it back to you.